Whoa, look how ugly that was. Let's zoom in a little bit. This is kind of a shit show of a chart, but I'm able to read it. So in any case, we're going to do a quick TA on QNT. My apologies to everybody for my lack of videos and updates. Family's coming down with some type of cold, and I'm starting to get it too. But let's hop into the TA. Total crypto market cap. One good sign is it's holding above $1.03 trillion, and it's just staying within the $1 trillion area. That's a relatively good sign. However, on the day and the 4 hour chart of the total crypto market cap, we are we are heading downwards. Everything is pointing down. There's more bearish indicators at play. DXY has room to push up, plenty of room to push up on the 4 hour and the day. I'll just show that quickly. Which is not a good sign. That usually drives the market down. In any case, QNT, it looks like on the 4 hour, it did kind of bottom around 2127, it looks like. However, on the day, there is still a lot more downside. There is still plenty of downside. So what I am waiting for, I'm waiting until we get closer to, if we get to 122 and 85 cents, I'm going to reevaluate all my targets here because the length of downside that we have, I initially marked 112, but I think it could go lower. It could potentially go a lot lower than that, maybe even up to 95. Right now, I don't want to call that quite yet because I still need to reassess as we go down to really measure that move. However, if you're bullish from this point, looking at the 4 hour chart, there is room to push up. Like there may be a things don't necessarily just drop sharply. They could, but things could also get choppy, right? So in the event that things do get choppy, your three bullish targets are going to be, as long as we maintain and hold support at 134 and 66 cents, your next targets would be 138.89, 140.75, and 144. There are micro targets in between, so be sure to uh, add plus or minus to those targets, or if you're able to catch some of these in between, feel free to pause the video. I'll try to zoom in a little bit just for that. So feel free to pause the video at this point and see what targets are at play in between. However, as I mentioned, more of a downtrend that's at play. So if if you'd like me to call the microfibs, I'll call it for the bearish targets. And there's just two microfibs here, which is 133.26 and 131.71. But I focus more on the support areas just because they're slightly bigger moves. So 131, 127.63 or 61, and 125.27. These are going to be your next three bearish targets. Outside of that, that's really all I got for QNT. So be sure to trade safe, trade smart. Peace.